afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chris again coming at you with another unboxing, kind of a first impression video. Now, I did cheat and already unboxed this watch for a little bit, but as I said, I've been a little bit backed up with work and everything, guys. So I apologize, so just catch up on some videos. Now, as is mentioned in the title, this was kindly lended by my buddy Rich over at Saltzman's, guys. He's my contact over at Saltzman's Jewelers. They are an authorized dealer for tag Heuer, and he was kind enough to lend this in. And I do believe there is a code for this watch to get 20% off. I believe this watch, Spring 20. I will write it down there in the comment section, and he can correct me if I'm wrong. Quick watch check. I am indeed wearing a Pepsi of a different kind of. The Heuer. Still love that watch. Great everyday wear, guys. But this is a watch that I've always been curious to see if the hype, I guess you could say, was worth it, or if it was just kind of overpriced. Tag, for some reason, seems to get a lot of hate, and I think I know why among watch collectors. A lot of watch collectors, I think, feel like they're a little overpriced in some points just for what they are. Now, in this case, I feel like this one is justifiably priced. I feel like it's a pretty good overall watch. There are a few quirks about it that I will go over in the full review on it. This is, again, just kind of like a quick unboxing, first impressions video, guys. And I do appreciate Rich for sending this in. And like I said, I feel like Tag gets a lot of unjustified hate. And I feel like Tag as a brand is really coming around these days, especially gearing more towards the watch collector market. This is the Pepsi Aquaracer Gmt, guys, so it's pretty cool to get to check out a Pepsi. Even though it's not the infamous Rolex, but it's still pretty cool to get to check out a Pepsi GMT nonetheless. And again, I appreciate you again, Rich, for sending this in. He was kind enough to send this in the channel, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see any other tag Heuers or Breitlings or anything like that, or Oris that they may carry, if they are able to get it in, guys. Again, it's really cool to be able to see these pieces, show these pieces to you guys. And again, like I said, I know that tags aren't really popular among the watch crowd, but they are popular among the regular crowd, people, I guess you could say, the non-watch enthusiasts. But again, like I said, pretty cool nonetheless to get to check this out. Now I will go to the desktop and show you the watch in the box in question. Now here is the box in question. Here is the outer box. Here is the actual, this is the reference number, WAY201F.BA0927 EAO013. Now, the 2128, I believe, may be the new, again, Rich can comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong. I believe this may be the new fixed price of the tag, because when I look at the actual, the hang tag that come with it, it said $3,038. So I'm assuming that might be after the 20% off what it retails for. So you can, again, correct me if I'm wrong down there, guys. Nothing too fancy. Not a whole lot of fanfare here on the tag Heuer box. Pretty nice outer shell on the box here, guys. Again, here is the paperwork and all that. Here's the hang tag. Again, Saltzman's is a authorized dealer. I will leave a link to their website down below. They don't pay me anything. They are just kind enough to send these watches in for me to check out and to show you guys on the channel, guys. So I appreciate that, Saltzman, for letting these cool pieces in. Hope to continue to build a cool relationship with them and to see a lot of other cool pieces and show you guys for the first time as I experience these as well. Now here is the watch in question. Overall first impressions, I really dig it. I had thought it was a little bit on the chunky side. First impressions, like I said, look for a full review of this guy coming up pretty soon. But overall first impressions, I had thought it was a little bit on the chunky side, especially compared to my Aquaracer. If you guys remember a while back, I had the green dial Aquaracer, the regular diver, the non-GMT, and I feel like the GMT is a little bit on the chunkier side compared to that. Correct me if I'm wrong down there, guys, but that's kind of the feeling I get. It is a bidirectional bezel. Bezel action pretty good. And overall, like I said, first impressions, this does come out as a quality watch. It is a little bit bigger than what a lot of people might be used to. Now, you might say right around that $2,200, $3,000 price range, you might say save up a little bit of money and buy the tuner, the Black Bay GMT. You might be right, but this is not really for those looking for the Tudor Black Bay GMT. This is kind of a fun overall watch. Let me show you what it looks like on my 7.5 inch wrist, guys, and I will close out the video with that. Again, this is just kind of a quick little first impression style video. Here's what it looks like next to my Islander watch, just for reference, for size reference, guys. And again, here is the watch in question on my 7.5-inch wrist. Now, if I bought it, I would definitely have to take out a couple links. This could be kind of an everyday kind of cool wear. I do dig that Pepsi bezel. And again, I appreciate Rich from Saltzman's for lending this in. I will leave a link to their store down below. If you are interested in this one or any other tag Heuer, let them know that the Watch Lounge sent you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.